Now, what if you could create an ERC404 token with zero coding in 5 minutes? Let me show you just how easy it is with GraphLinq. First, connect your wallet to start building with GraphLinq. You'll be working in the toolbox for the rest of this process. In the toolbox, you'll find all available logical blocks for building your graph. Simply search for ERC404 and then select two, one as deploy and the other as create. Assign to this new block string with create ERC404 token as out and deploy ERC404 token as in. Select the Get Personal Managed Wallet block. Link its managed wallet to the wallet of the deploy ERC404 you just created. Choose the onGraph Start block. Link its out within of the Create ERC404 token block. Next, select the string block. You'll need to select 5 of them. Connect each of the 5 you choose, value, with the Create ERC404 token block in the following way. After this, choose the integer block and link it to the decimals of the Create ERC404 token block. Finally, choose the print block and link its in to deploy ERC404 token out. And congratulations, you've just created your first ERC404. Enjoy making more tokens.